Hi there,
and welcome to this intro to my ultimate productivity system. I'm Chris, yep, that's me, and I'll be guiding you through this. This video we split up into 3 sections: planning, updating, and reviewing. At the end of the week, I spend at least 2 hours planning and reviewing. This includes picking my focus for the next week, the tasks I will do, and then putting these into my calendar. I use a Notion sprint board where I allot each task a size, result, importance, and urgency, and even status. During the week, I move tasks from planned to work in progress, and then work in progress to completed. I make sure that I don't have more than 3 tasks in the work in progress section. I have a tendency to start lots of tasks, but not finish them, and so I'm protecting against that. Lastly, I then take these tasks and put them into my calendar, blocking out time for each task according to the size I think it is. I only plan about 60 to 70% of my time, because I recognise that I always have unexpected events throughout the week, and I want to have buffer time for that in my calendar. These 3 steps are vital for me. Over the long run, focusing on the right things is more important than doing a lot of things. That's why I make sure I have carved out time for planning. Next is updating. Planning is a great start, however it is only the start. I update my calendar to reflect what I actually spend my time on. The reason that I do this is because this way I can adapt my plan as my circumstances change throughout the week, and it provides the basis for my review stage at the end of the week as well. There are always new events and unexpected circumstances that arrive during the week, and this gives me the flexibility to change my calendar accordingly. At the end of each week, I spend time reviewing and analysing what I spent my time on. What went well? What didn't? Why was I so productive during that time? Did I make a good and fair trade-off between new events and planned events? This guides me for my plans for the next week and is the key to improving my time management skills. That's the end of my ultimate productivity system. If you want a more in-depth explanation or a different topic, just leave a comment below. I'd also be interested to know what productivity system you use at the moment as well. Explain it in the comments below. That's it from me today. Easy, right?